Hey guys, do you want to learn how to customize your Snapchat shortcuts and remove anyone from them? In this video, I'll walk you through the steps of managing your shortcuts on the popular social media app. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, we will simply open up the Snapchat mobile application, and then for the purpose of this video, let's take a quick little snap. Then once you have taken the snap, simply tap on the send button icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So in order to edit your shortcuts, you simply have to tap on the shortcut option at the top right corner of the screen. Now from here you will see your existing shortcuts, and you can also create a new shortcut from here. If you want to edit the existing shortcut, you simply have to tap on that shortcut, and now you can change the emoji for this shortcut, add people, or if you want to remove any of the one, you simply can remove. If you want to add, you have to tap on the name of that person, and if you want to remove that person, you have to tap on again. So if you want to change the emoji for the shortcut, you have to tap on the emoji at the top, and then from here you can select any of the emoji. And if you want to delete the shortcut, tap on the three little dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then there will be option to delete the shortcuts. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.